everyone. Today I am going to solve an SS assignment. Its name is SS 2021 in practice. Chapter 4 Independent Project 4-6. Course name is 25 Fall CIS 1A 37656. That's our course name. We will go to that's our assignment name. Country Yard Medical Plaza. That's our assignment name. In this assignment, we will cover the skills as a create a form using the form button, edit a form using layout view, add the current date to the form, move fields within the control layout, restrict a form to the data entry, create a report using the report wizard, edit a report in layout view, add grouping and sorting to the report, add totals to the report, add conditional formatting to the report, and preview the report. That's our skill covered in this project. We will move to our first step. In our first step, what is he asking? Open the Country Yard Medical Plaza 04 database, start a file. So we have already opened that one file. That's our file. In our second step, what is he asking? The file will renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file if directed to do so by your instructor. And third step is enable the content in the database. So we will make this one as enable content. That's our third step. In our fourth step, what is he asking? Create a form using the blank form button. Add all the fields from the physical table in the following order. Doctor ID, first name, last name, primary specialty, officer number, move in date. So we will go to the create tab, and here we will select form wizard, and we will add blank form. We need to add a blank form. We will cancel that one. We will select the here we will no, that's not form one. We will go to the create form, and here we will select a blank form. That's our blank form. We will show all the tables, and what we need to add all the field from the physician's table. So we will add physician tables, all the doctor ID. Double click on this one, then last name, first name, office number, primary specialty, move in date. That's our all the field in our form 1. That's our close the field list. So we will close that one field list pane, and what we need to do again, save the form as a add new physician. So we will copy this one and save that one form 1 as a form name as a add new physician and press OK. That's our step number 3 complete. In our fifth step, create a form in the layout view, add a new column and new row to the control layout, and modify their size. Add 2 rows. Edit the form in the layout view. So we will select this one. We will go to the layout view. That's our layout view. What we need to do, add 2 rows below the tentative since row. So we will add 2 rows. We will go to the format tab, and here we will select insert below and then insert below. So now 2 rows are inserted below the tentative since date. Add one column right of the existing column. So we need to add one column. We will select insert left. That's our column, insert left. We have added a column right of the existing column. So we will delete that one. We need to insert right. That's our column at the right of the that one things. Adjust the width of each column to 1.6. So we will go to the adjust the width of each column. That's our first column. We will adjust the width of this one. We need to make these one by making this one as a 1.6. Every column we'll go to the format tab, arrange tab. We need to on the property sheet. We will now the format tab. Here we will select this one as a width as a 1.6. 1.6. Press enter. Then select the second column and make this one width as a 1.6, and third one select and make this one width as a 1.6 and press enter. So now our three columns are width have a 1.6, and adjust the height of the last row to zero point 0.4. So we will go to the last row. That's our last row. We will adjust the width to what this one, zero point 0.4. Height of this one as a 0.4, 0.4, and press enter. So that's our height. That's our step number 5. In our sixth step, what is he asking? Add a command button, a title and date in the form. Add a button into a bottom of the row of the leftmost column to save the record. So we will go to the add a new button. We will select here. We will select button. We need to add here as a new button, as a record button. For what operation? Leftmost to save a record operation category. So we will select record operation category. And what is our the button name? Add new record. Add a new record to save a record. Save record. So we will select the save record and press next. And then text as a, what is our text will be name, change the wording as a save physician records. So we will paste this one as a save physician record and press next. And then what is he asking? Name the button as a add physicians form save button. So that's our name of the record, and finish that one. That's our record button added to our form. That's our step number 6. Add a second button into the bottom row of the middle column to add new record. So what we need to do? We need to add a second button into the bottom row of the middle column. So we will go to the middle column. Here we need to add a second button. What is our record? That's our add a second to add a new record operation category. Record operation category, add a new record, and we will go to this next step. And what is our wording? Change the wording to add a new physician. We will make this one as a text and make the change as a add new physician, and go to the next step. And what is the name of the that one? Add physician form add button. That's our record name, button name. We will make this one as a this one and finish that one. That's our two buttons we have provided downside. Add a third button in the bottom row right most column of the form. So we have a mistake. We need to add this one here, and then we need to add a new record button here in this left rightmost. And what is the operation of that one button? Add a third button from the operation category. We will select operation category, record operation category. That's our required operation category. Add a third button to the to close from the operation category. That's our from operation category. Use the existing wording for the button to close the form. So we will select the close form, go to the next and select the text as a close form, then go to the next button and then name the button as a add fixation form close button. So that's our wording and finish that one. That's our third button. Add a title to the form header. Added the title to include space between the words. So we will go to the we will select the title. That's added a title. We will put a space between the wording. So that's our add new fixation form as a title. Add a date to the form. Use the date format if necessary. Deselect the include time checkbox so that the date is selected. So we will select the date and time. We need to include the which one format, date, month, year. We will select date, month, year, and include time is not selected and we will select OK. Now date is added to our form header. Added the 1.1 width and 4 to auto date text box selected. We will select the width property as a 1.1. We will That's our width property to 1.1. And what is our other thing? 4 as a left property. 4 as a left property as a 4. Press enter. That's our save the changes to the form. The revised form look like similar to that one. So that's our form. We need to save that one form. Our form will look like that. We need to change that one here. That's our step. And that one we will need to delete the last row. That's our form look like that. We will see the form. You see we have a form looking like that. That's our step number 6 complete. We have total 17 steps in this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you need help in any online course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, you can contact me also. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.